You are not being ignored because you don't know enough. You are being ignored because you lack the system to communicate your ideas. In other words, your authority. That's why if you want to scale your vision or any high-level project, you need to stop thinking and start mapping. And when you understand this, everything falls into a state of flow. One of the most important things here is understand how the mind works. Like when you recognize or how you can think or build ideas, you have one idea, it's the projection of the idea, and then this kind of idea can project in different ideas. But how you can connect or how you can build different ideas inside your mind, how you can recognize all of these ideas. Because one of the most important things here is when you identify the patterns of the dream or a simple idea, the first idea expand into a second, third, fourth. So in the way you can understand, one idea can expand to the others, and the connection of all of these ideas is just about pattern recognition. You finally have clarity mind. In other words, in the way you can master all of these concepts, you can solve problems more faster than 99% of people. Why? Because you can recognize how you can interact or how you can think. And in a world of saturated information, where most people have linear conversation with a kind of AI, you can build different ideas more faster. It's like a matryoshka system, you know? One is the consequence of the other. You have one element, and then this kind of element can expand in another element, and then this can expand in another and another. But by the time you can recognize or identify how this kind of system works, okay? Because all of these concepts can explain different ideas inside your brain. By the way, try to keep it simple because you need to solve the problem of authority inside your brain, inside your mind. The problem with this system is you can't communicate your ideas to the world in the same way you generate them. This is the common mistake most people make. And in our context, clarity and attention is the new currency. That's why you need to differentiate it. Any second on social media can create authority on your experience and skills. Most people try to communicate ideas, business, projects, but few people understand the system behind better communication. This is how 99% of people think. This is you, and this is you. 99% of people, 1%. Okay. If you try to gain authority on the internet, you need to understand how you can communicate your ideas, because most people treat ideas like linear thinking, break by break. They try to make sense of one idea and then they don't understand why. Just seconds later, their thoughts have shifted to something completely different. But when you understand this, that your mind is inherently chaotic, a high-speed machine that works in patterns, you realize why your traditional tools fails. That's the reason why when you try to interact with any kind of AI, you get a linear thinking conversation. In other words, zero intuition. Most people try to jump from one idea to the other. Expansive thinking. That is how the mind works, okay? But they can't control the dots. They burn out because they have multiple ideas fighting for attention in the mind. But when you recognize why one idea jumped to the other, because a kind of pattern, you can finally control the dots. For example, when you try to gain authority on the internet, instead of communicate your ideas like everyone else, we have to recognize the patterns and try to make reverse engineering, like 1% of people. Okay, we need to split ideas into macro, meso, and micro categories. 1. You have the macro vision of what you want to build and communicate. Too many ideas to control, based on all your experience, knowledge, and your past. 2 is the mesovision. It's simply the context in which we're living. For example, in the era of AI, that is why this system doesn't depend on the time you watch it. 3. This is the synthesis of the first two, how you can combine your experience and skills, applying them to the context in which you live, in a way that everyone can understand you and can be relevant to your time. The rule is simple: less is more. To create a clear thinking mind, you must reduce information by synthesizing patterns. You don't need other app, you need a simple frame or a personal system to map your ideas. You synthesize your experience from your skills and your own story until you can explain it in simple terms. That is the moment everything falls into a state of flow. Okay, try to keep it simple. We are trying to rebuild because most people try to build one idea or they try to communicate ideas and they try to think how this can idea can be more relevant to the others. But if you want to make reverse engineering, you need to understand first how the mind works. Okay, this is how the mind works. Matryoshka system. And this is reverse engineering. Okay, if you think about this, or how 99% of people think, like expansive thinking, you need to create reverse engineering to solve any problem. This is the way you can understand how you can win this game because you have micro, meso, and macro. But 1% of people think like this: macro vision or holistic knowledge, meso vision, and micro vision. Because when you understand, for example, the macro vision, all the experience skills you have, and then try to reduce into the context of your living. And then the microvision is just a combination of the macro and the meso. You finally can communicate with more authority. People connect with other people, not because your knowledge or your profession or any kind of business you have. People connect with other people because your experience, your skills, your own story are more relevant. And this is my challenge to you. 1. Write down all your experience, your previous knowledge, everything that has taken you many years to learn, but that you haven't yet shared with others. 2. Identify current issues, recognize the era and context in which we live, and the problems you can solve, regardless of your previous knowledge, since authority is a combination of a specific time and place. And finally, combine all the previous information into a single sentences that helps you understand your most powerful communication skill. For example, I'm the architect who can explain and design systems in this era of information overload and AI saturation to bring clarity of mind. Okay, thank you for watching. It's always a pleasure. Muchas gracias. Nos vemos pronto. Chao, chao, adiós. Bye bye, adiós. Adiós, adiós.